In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to fix the internet issue and solve every common export problem in CapCut, even the ones nobody talks about. Stick around, because this fix is almost guaranteed to solve it. So, as you can see here, my templates are loading without any network issues or errors. And I'm going to show you how to do that too. And also, if I open a new project, then go to Effects, it also loads with no issues. So let's get into the video, and also make sure you follow this video to the end, because if you miss a single step, it might not work. First, go to Settings on your phone. Then, after opening Settings, go to More Connections. And this where you will find all the different kinds of connections here, like VPN, Bluetooth, and others. And for this tutorial, I will use the private DNS. So if you are using a different phone, just find private DNS in Settings. So I'm going to tap on it, and at the moment, it is off. And you will have three options. So from here, select Private DNS Provider Hostname from the options. Then, in this box, just type 1.1.1. So type exactly what I typed. You can pause the video right here to do it. Now, after that, tap on Save to save this settings. Now, the second step, we have to connect our phone to a VPN. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use Proton VPN because it is free, fast, and trusted. So you can download it on Play Store, or you can use any VPN that you want. So I will open Proton VPN, and for this tutorial, I'm going to continue as a guest. But you can sign in too if you want. And Proton VPN also offer a paid version, but we will be using the free version for now. But don't worry, the free version works very well. This is the interface of Proton VPN, so let me show you how to connect it. So if you tap on this box right here, Proton VPN free version lets you connect to a number of locations. You can see Canada, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, Singapore, and USA, and all these servers are in the free version. Now, tap on Connect. Then if you get this pop-up, just tap on OK. Then wait for the VPN to connect to a server location. So, Proton VPN free version does not let you select a specific location that you want to use in, but they let you change the location to another location if you want. So if you want to change the location, just tap on Change Server to do that. And I recommend you use servers that CapCut is available on, else it won't work. So servers like Singapore, USA, and Canada, or even the Netherlands works well. Now, after connecting, tap and hold CapCut on the screen until this dialog box appears, then tap on App Info. Now, CapCut Info will open, then you will come and tap on Force, stop right here, then tap on OK to continue the process. Now, after force stopping CapCut, go back and open CapCut, and then let's go to Templates. And as you can see, our templates are loading fine with no network issues or errors. And also, if you open a new project and go to Effects, they will also load with no issues, just as you can see from mine right here. And that's it. Your CapCut should be running smoothly now. No more internet errors, no more failed exports. If you find this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more quick fixes and editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments which problem you are having. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next video.